Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your RAM 1500 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet with an 8mm socket and your new headlight bulbs. Always make sure your truck's engine is off and cool to the touch for safety. Then, locate the headlight assembly. It's usually secured by a few bolts and clips that you'll need to remove to get started. To access the bulb, you'll first need to remove the plastic cover and the grill assembly. This usually involves pulling out several plastic rivets and unscrewing 4 bolts. Next, use a 10mm socket to unscrew the 2 bolts holding the headlight assembly. Once those are out, push the retaining tab to unlock the headlight, allowing you to carefully move it aside and gain access to the bulbs. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the headlight housing. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare fingers, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully place the new bulb into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it securely. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully reposition the headlight assembly back into its original spot and tighten the 2 retaining bolts. Don't forget to reattach the grill and plastic cover, securing them with their respective bolts and rivets. Before you finish, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly, providing clear visibility for your drives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.